Here is the Midea air conditioning portable unit. The features on it, you have auto, cool, dry, that's the dehumidifier feature, and if you just desire to use the fan. When the unit's off, it looks like that. When you turn the unit on, and you can do it with the phone app as well, which is really nice and a nice touch. They have a wireless feature there, so there's no remote control with it. You can use everything from the app. But if you hit the power button, I'm just doing it manual because I'm using my phone now. You see that the fans open up automatically. The vents. Sounds a little loud just because I'm blowing it directly into my phone. I run it through each of the fan speeds up here so you can hear that. It makes a big difference, not in sound, but in the amount of air it can push. There's the air conditioning unit. You hear that kick in here. It runs really quiet. I like that feature. There's the dehumidifier as well. You can hear that kick in there. And then back to the fan unit. Over here you have a timer. You have a sleep function as well. The filter and everything's just right back here in the back. Very easy to access and get to. Here is the wireless features. When you touch that, you pair that with your phone. Nice thing to do. I really like the oscillating fan vents to see them move when you turn it off. It shuts back up there, keeps the dust out of there, and keeps it ready for next time. This has kept my rooms in great, comfortable, cool conditions for this hot summer. The portable unit's really nice. It has wheels on, very easy to move and get around to different rooms if you so desire. A great size as well. It comes up to your height, but to have 12,000 BTUs of power for the dehumidifier for the air conditioning unit is really cool. So sleek design, I like that, and very functional.
I ordered this inverter portable air conditioner to cool down my home storage area, which is a total of 368 square feet. The unit weighs about 90 pounds, but does have wheels to move around easily. The only install needed was to set up your window with the supplied attachments. I was able to do it easily by watching the installation video posted with the product description. In no time I started the unit, and I like how powerful the air flows out. My storage area is large, and this device was able to make the air cooler by 6 degrees and more comfortable in less than 2 hours. This product comes with a very nice remote control and an easy to install and use app that allows me to control the air conditioner via Wi-Fi. Overall, very pleased with this product. It is very well made, durable, easy to set up, interactive, and, best of all, cools my home storage area. Since the area is now more comfortable with cooling air, I can now convert it to be an office studio. It is well worth the price and I highly recommend it. Therefore, I rate this product 5 out of 5 stars.